303 is all about making every client feel great about themselves. Our goal and vision is every client leaving feeling great from the inside out. Banks are not my thing. I don't like going in applying for loans. It scares me, and I couldn't get a loan. So I remember finding this place and getting an email from the owner showing me the view of it, and I thought, there's no way this place is legit. There's no way it's in the heart of Lohi. You know, Denver's booming. We're in the #1 spot right now. And I remember thinking, there's no way that this is real. So I came and looked at it. It was real. There was a lot of work that needed to be done, but it was real. And I talked to the owner. He told me that 3 to 4 people were looking at it and that this was literally a hot spot, so I needed to act on it fast. So he asked me about a business plan. And I looked at him like I knew exactly what he was talking about, and I had no clue how to write a business plan. So got that together, turned it into him, and he said it was really good. So then I needed a letter of intent. Again, no idea what that is. I'm a hairstylist, like no idea what a LOI is. Now I do. And got that to him, and he said, we would love to have you in the spot. Do you want it? That day, I remember telling him, yep, I want it. I had money saved from working at a booth rental salon because I knew I wanted to start a business. So I had that, but that was not enough. I did not know how much it took to start a business. I remember Googling lines of credit, and Leo with Fundwise Capital popped up. And I called him, and he called me immediately right back. And I was a little scared about it because he said he could get me the funding right away. And he did. He told me, okay, Wednesday night, we're gonna have an interview, or we're gonna get together, and I'm gonna go over what we're gonna do. And he did what he said he was gonna do. We sat down, and he got me the funding. He got me $70,000, 0% interest for 15 months. And he told me, if you work this right, at the end of 15 months, or a little after a year that you're open, your business will be paid off with 0% interest. And we'll be open a year in November. November 1st, my business will be completely paid off. And we're cranking, we're doing really, really well. I also was able to open this business with 0 partners. I don't owe anybody anything, which has been really cool. I mean, anybody who's looking to start a business and they need the capital right away, I definitely recommend Fundwise Capital. Thanks to Fundwise Capital, I was able to get my money really, really quick.